Hi, my project for language and literacy was created based on the book Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin and Eric Carle. It's a rhyme book, simple book, one picture, a few words, a lot of repetition just with a different animal. And I really enjoyed this book, and my kids loved this book growing up. So this is the book that I based off my project for this week. I created a flannel book, and I created finger play that can help with language and literacy. Flannel stories and finger plays help the child with their imagination, vocabulary, and creativity. If they are English learners, because there's no words, you're just using your imagination, they can actually say the story in Spanish, or they can change it up, completely say a whole different story, and they're using their vocabulary and creativity. As an educator, I would introduce all of my items during circle time. I would start with the book first, showing them how to handle the book, what the story of the book is. I would show them how to handle all the items. So I would show them about the finger play and how, we use them and things like that. Both items are durable and replaceable. The ones on the finger play are actually laminated, so you can replace those if they get damaged. Flannel board is washable, durable, and non-toxic, so you can always change that around if needed. It brings out imagination in different ways. The story says, brown bear, what do you see? But because they have everything on hand, they can actually, instead of making the main character brown bear, they can make it the monkey, or they can make it the green frog, or the black sheep. They can just move it around however they want. The additional that I would add to this probably would be not a flannel, but maybe a 5x7 picture of the classroom, so that at the end of the book, the book actually says, brown bear, what do you see? I see children looking at me. I would add that as the classroom picture. And then on my finger plays, instead of having just a little girl or a little boy, I would actually have actual pictures of the children in the classroom. One that would help the children start using vocabulary and remembering their friends' names in the classroom. So recognizing letters and pictures, who it belongs to. So that's how that would promote it. Now, aside from all that, finger plays could be used in the library and circle time. So just leaving it out for them to actually handle. What it would promote is auditory, so it would help them with listening and hearing. Language, it would help them with speaking, vocabulary, and reading skills. Felt can provide hands-on learning, as well as the finger play, hands-on learning. They'll actually can feel it. Children actually develop self-worth through successful play, felt play. Play is vital to a children's development and self-expression. It is a child's primary means of exploration. So children can try new things and new roles through having hands-on, like finger play or felt. Like I said earlier, they can just change the story around, so they get to make their own. And so they explore it different, because they can have a different ending, or a different beginning, or a different middle of the story. Felt play stretches their imagination to, what roles we're going to do. Am I going to be putting the felt on, or am I going to say the story? So 2-3 people can play actually with these items. Helps developing brain capacity in memorizing what the actual book storyline is, based what we're gonna say. And it nurtures talent and develops skills in many ways. Play actually lays the foundation for later learning in reading and literacy. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and I can't wait to see everybody else's creativity. Thank you. Have a good day.